Holy the fuck! What is this shit?
Dad, can we go get some Captain Crunch cereal?
Fuck you, kid, you're a dick!
Dad!
You're a faggot!
Dad, yesterday you said we could.
I didn't talk to nobody yesterday! I was in the car taking a shit! Who gives a shit about Bigfoot? Men's asses! Fashion bug! Fashion bug! I'd like to meet the motherfucker named a Fashion Bug and shove a broom on his ass! Bitch!
Dad, is there any eggnog left?
Your mom's the one that dicks the egg dog, not me!
Dad, there's some white stuff on the floor.
That's my ass! She's a bitch! I called her a bitch right in front of her tits! I want to fuck her with your dick! Or cock! She has nice ass! I'd like to tit fuck her ass! Fuck him! He's an ass! Go touch his dick! I want to fuck her with my own ass! Eat my short dick! Oh,